dropping the speed a bit too much.
Okay. That's good, okay. Now, would you like me to go into the teaching mode and tell you every single thing first time, how it's happening? Or would you like me to go into the coaching mode and tell you if you make a mistake? What would you, I mean, I could do in the teaching mode first whole round.
I think maybe the first roundabout I'd try and do myself.
I mean, there will be 3 mini roundabouts.
3
and
mini.
then there will be about 7 major roundabouts.
Okay, so I think tell me like the first 3.
Well, I mean, so why can't I just tell you the whole loop? Because, and then when you come back again over here,
Yeah, true, because
And
we'll do
then-
it again.
and then next time I will go into the coaching mode, and then I will tell you as and when if I required, and I will let you challenge yourself with more. How about that?
Yeah,
So I'm going to give you all the instructions one by one from here though, yeah?
yeah.
Okay, so drive off whenever you're ready, and the instructions are going to be for the roundabout only though, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, so we're approaching a mini roundabout. It has got 3 exits. We are following the road ahead. Whenever we're approaching, we need to slow down, but before slow down, you check your mirrors.
Mirrors, yeah.
Now this is a close view from your right. Slow down even more, lean your body towards the steering, glance your right and look ahead. Anyone coming? No. Check your mirrors again quickly, all 3, and then gradually build up your speed. Always remember, before we speed up and before slow down, we check our mirrors.
Yeah.
So you have got a warning sign coming up for the roundabout.
So that means there's going to be a roundabout.
Yes, but looking at the blue signs, how many roundabouts are coming?
2.
And both of them are mini. Now keep approaching slowly, 15 miles or less. Keep using your brake. The first roundabout is an open view because there's no right road on the right though, yeah?
Yeah.
Any car coming who's signaling on your left?
No.
So keep going. You don't need to stop too much. Glance your left and quickly go. That's it. But don't worry about the speed because you got another roundabout is coming. As you're approaching, keep using your brake. Glance your right, but look ahead. Glance your right and look at anyone coming?
No.
No, check all 3 mirrors and then gradually and progressively builds up your speed. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Good. Gradually, that's it. Don't panic, relax, take a deep breath. You're doing okay. We're gonna be, what sign coming up? What's coming up ahead?
Major.
Good. It does not have any arrows painted, so we're gonna be using the clock method in a minute, yeah?
Yeah.
So keep it to the left, which is doing good. Anyone coming towards you? He's indicating, but we're slowing down too much.
Okay.
We don't want to, only glance. Look, go near to the island first. Check your mirrors, signal down. Yeah, keep accelerating gradually for me. Well done. Check your mirrors and build up your speed for me, and then cancel your signal. Always remember what you're doing wrong, which is the first time you're doing just that. That's why we check our mirrors. Can you see how he's overtaking you?
Yeah.
That's why you always keep an eye, and keep an eye on your speedometer as well. So the reason why you were looking too much on the right, we can't do that. When you're approaching the roundabout, you just glance quickly right and look ahead as well. If you're gonna lock your eyes in one thing, you will not show what's happening ahead of you. Always remember, and that's come with the practice though, isn't it? Yeah. So there's a signboard over there. Which exit are we taking for Blackburn?
Second exit.
Right. Let's do this. So start slowing down. Glance your right and look ahead. Keep rolling all the way to the giveaway line. Glance, but look ahead. Anyone coming?
No.
No, but look ahead as well. So after the first exit, check your mirrors, signal down. That's it. The reason why it's happening because you're looking too much on the right.
Okay.
It's come with a practice. You don't need to look too much on the right. Yes, look early, but glancing only.
Right.
It's the first time you're doing it. Next few rounds, you will master this though, yeah?
Yeah.
So same thing again. From first arrow, glance your right and look ahead for positioning. Keep rolling, right and look ahead. Anyone coming towards you? Look ahead as well. That's it. Anyone else coming?
No.
Look ahead for the island. Go near to the island. That's your target.
Yeah.
And now check your center and the left mirror. Signal down. And don't worry about the speeding. Keep following which curb? The left curb. Well done. Good. Check all the mirrors and gradually build up your speed. So we're still going towards Blackburn, which is ahead. Which exit you think you're taking?
Second.
Second. So slow approach, 15 miles or less. Positioning, glance, but look ahead for positioning. Anyone coming?
No.
Go near to the island. That's your target. Check your center in the left mirror. Signal down. That's it. And keep going like this. Good. Don't worry about cancelling your signal. So just gradually build up. Check your mirrors and build up your speed. And then cancel your signal. So you don't have to do too much multitasking though, yeah?
Yeah.
There's a signboard coming up for Blackburn. Which exit are we taking for Blackburn?
First exit.
So that means we can signal after this island, isn't it, yeah?
Yeah.
So you can check your mirrors and start slowing down. Check your center and the left mirror and signal to the left. Mirrors first as well. And follow which car positioning? That's like that's it. Like a moon crescent, yeah?
Yeah.
And now check your mirrors and build up your speed.
Yeah, and I did look in my centre
Yeah.
as well.
So looking ahead, what's coming up ahead?
Roundabout.
So mirrors first to slow down though. Yeah, keep going. Which exit you think you're taking?
Taking the second.
Okay, so don't rush. That's it. Cancel your signal, check your mirrors and build up your speed. You did rush yourself there, didn't you?
Yeah.
Your speed was slightly faster that time.
It
So
was too
now,
fast, yeah.
build up your speed. Most important thing, which we're gonna do this round again, and you're gonna do it by yourself. And obviously, I'm not going to give you teaching instructions. We will let you do the whole round. And obviously, if you do something wrong, like after this roundabout, if you made something mistake, I will let you know. Does that make sense? Or would you like me to do the whole instructions again? What would you prefer? Whichever you do, I will do that for you. Because if you did not understand it,
I understood it. It's just controlling the speed. I think I'll be able to do it now.
so every time when you're approaching the roundabout, what speed you need to be doing?
15
Or less. That's it. If you start doing that, roundabout become easy. However, like this is the only roundabout which is a closed view, because you cannot see who's coming from your right. You can drop your speed even further. You can do, I don't know, 5, 6, 7, whatever it is. It's because you don't know until the last minute who's coming from your right.
Yeah.
Any closed view roundabout junctions, examiners don't mind you to slow down. Even if you needed to, you can even stop for a couple of seconds and do your ladder. Remember the ladder we did last time? So look, assess, decide, and then act. Yeah?
Yeah.
Shall we try this again?
We'll try it again.
Would you like me to go into the coaching mode for you?
Yeah, the coaching mode.
So you're gonna challenge yourself, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's do this. That's good. Try to react early. So once you know nobody's there, boom, go to the check your mirrors and accelerate. Go a bit more fun, go a bit more progress, because you're dropping the speed to what speed is there?
12.
Okay, look early, anyone coming? React early.
No. Dropping the speed a bit too much.
Okay. That's good, okay.
we're going. I can't remember where I'm going now.
Going straight ahead, second
Straight
exit.
Okay.
Let's quickly talk about this mini roundabout. You did very, very good. Well done. Excellent work. Couple of advices. So not this one, the one after. You have got 2 mini roundabouts there.
Yeah.
Now the second one, there is no right road, so you're going ahead. There was no car coming from ahead. You went. Now remember, before you leave your giveaway line, you did have got a turning on your left. You don't have to worry about them. But make sure before you leave your giveaway line, glance your left. Now you did glance, but you have already halfway through.
Halfway through.
We need to glance earlier than that. Okay. Do have got a problem with not checking your mirrors and signaling on the roundabouts. That's the biggest problem so far you have. Always remember what you're doing. So if this is a bend here,
Yeah.
it's better to signal about somewhere here. Check your mirrors and signal. What you're doing, you're checking your mirrors and signaling on like there.
Yeah.
And what is the problem by signaling too late? What is the problem with that? Go on. Losing your
Losing
steering
the balance,
control.
Not balance. Losing the
So
control.
that's better to do it there though, isn't it? Yes, you can signal there, no problem, but if you remain in control. So sometime you are signaling correctly, but you're not checking your mirrors. Sometime you are checking your mirrors, but you're signaling way too late and you're losing your control. Make sure, always remember, you always check your center and the left mirror and signal left if you're going ahead. We don't worry about the right mirror, because the reason why, because you're checking your center mirror who's behind you. You check your left mirror if there's any cyclist or motorcyclists undertaking you. On your future lessons, when we're going to be doing the right turning on a roundabout, then yes, we're going to check our center and the right mirror. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
All right.